Spicy meals are a staple of the culinary preferences of several civilizations. But why do some people find pleasure in cuisine that others find to be painful? You might be shocked to learn that a lot is happening in our bodies when we eat anything hot if you often consider the heat of spicy food to be a bothering element than a beneficial one. What gives food its spicy flavor? Our bodies include receptors that are primarily located near our mouths and skin and that often become active when exposed to heat, typically exceeding 109 degrees Fahrenheit. However, that is heat according to a thermometer, not according to our taste buds. What exactly is it about a hot pepper that makes us immediately reach for a drink of water after taking a bite, whether it is at room refrigerated or room temperature? Capsaicin is the ingredient in hot food that causes this response in people. When in contact, capsaicin causes a burning sensation that can affect the mouth, eyes, stomach, and skin. Extreme levels of this sensation may even result in difficulty breathing or nausea. How hot can these food items get? Scoville heat units or SHUs, which quantify our sensitivity to capsaicin, are used to measure the level of heat in food. This metric, created in 1912 by Wilbur Scoville, may not be as precise as liquid chromatography techniques, but it is nevertheless accepted as the gold standard for gauging how hot something is. A bell pepper places 0 on the scale of spiciness. Other well-known peppers include the habanero, which can measure up to 350,000 SHU, the jalapeno, which may measure up to 10,000 SHU, and the banana pepper, which can reach 900 SHU. In fact, there are pepper types with a SHU of up to 2,200,000. Breeders combine several pepper strains to get these extreme types, which include characteristics like heat or sweetness. Why does chili burn? Foods containing capsaicin generate spiciness, which is a burning feeling. Capsaicin stimulates TRPV1 receptors in our mouths, which cause a reaction when we eat spicy food. Chemoreception, or the detection of heat, is the function of TRPV1 receptors. This indicates that they are meant to discourage us from eating food that burns. The sensation we feel is related to the sensation of coming into contact with something hot, close to the boiling point of water when capsaicin activates TRPV1 receptors. There is nothing genuinely hot about spicy food. This agony is merely an illusion caused by our perplexed brain receptors. Human pleasure? Although no animal eats hot peppers, humans are not the only animal species to consume chilies. Squirrels and mice, two mammals, have the same spicy food receptors as people, and they generally steer clear of hot peppers as food sources. Although birds consume spicy peppers, they are unable to sense the heat. Birds cannot biologically sense the effects of capsaicin because they have receptors that are different from human receptors. According to some experts, the reason why people enjoy chilies is that they are healthy. They have a few positive benefits on people's health. Additionally, they may have some antibacterial properties and lower blood pressure. Chili's intense pain might even outweigh and soothe other kinds of pain. Studies have been done to determine whether eating spicy meals has any potential health benefits. One such study implies that eating spicy food can lengthen life, was published by the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences in August 2015. The study's findings revealed that those who consumed spicy foods roughly 6 or 7 times per week reduced their overall risk of mortality by 14% when compared to those who did so no more than once per week. In addition to the results of this latest Chinese study, there is more proof that eating spicy foods might speed up the sense of fullness and possibly even lower bad cholesterol to even circulation of blood. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.